Welcome, love, to this week's guided meditation. Take a moment to arrive. If you are seated, feel the ground beneath you. If you are lying down, feel the sacred support beneath your spine. Let your hands rest where they feel natural. On your heart, your belly, your thighs. Close your eyes and begin to breathe with me. A long, slow inhale through your nose. Feel your ribs expand. Feel your heart rise. And an even longer exhale through your mouth. Let it be audible if you wish. Let something go. We'll ride this breath wave together for a while. No need to force. Just follow. Inhale, expand. Exhale, soften. Breathe as if the whole universe is loving you through your breath. Let your exhale say, I am safe. Let your inhale say, I am here. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Continuing to breathe in this slow but steady rhythm. Let's drop even deeper into the body. Into the sacred temple that is you. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel them, their weight, their shape, their connection to the earth. Imagine golden roots growing from the soles of your feet into the soil, anchoring you into the support of the Earth Mother. Now rise into your ankles, calves, knees. Relax any tension. Allow the earth's steadiness to melt into your muscles. Move into your thighs, hips, and pelvis. This is your root, your seat. Your power. Breathe deeply into your hips once again and let them know they are safe to soften. Now bring awareness to your belly, the place that holds your intuition, your emotions, your desires. Gently place a hand there. Offer a whisper. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to want. Moving up to your chest, feel your heart space. Maybe it's tender, maybe it's protected. Whatever it is, it's sacred. Let the breath touch your heart. Let it rock you open just a little. Breathe here. From your root to your heart, feel yourself held. Feel yourself whole. Now in this softened state, begin to imagine the space around you shifting. You are in a sacred sanctuary, a temple of your own making. There is candlelight flickering on the walls, the scent of something sweet and ancient in the air. The ground beneath you is warm, and then you see someone approaching. It is you, your inner lover, your most radiant, embodied, luminous self. They are walking with grace, eyes full of knowing, arms open, and they are smiling because they've been waiting for you. Let them come closer. Let them take your hand. They whisper, I see you. I honor you. I choose you. Again and again. Breathe that in. Let them hold you. Let them show you who you are, not as the world sees you, but as your soul sees you. Let yourself feel adored, seen, claimed by your own love. If emotions arise, let them. You are safe here. You are worthy of devotion. Sink into this energy now. Now with your inner lover beside you, they hand you a small vial of energetic oil. You may not see it, but you feel it. Warm, golden, shimmering. You anoint your wrists. My hands create beauty. You anoint your neck. My voice speaks truth. You anoint your heart. I am worthy of love. You anoint your belly. I am safe to feel and want. You anoint your third eye. I see with sacred clarity. And finally, your crown. I am connected to something greater. Breathe in, soften into this consecration. You are not just loved, you are holy. Now sit with your inner lover. No need to speak, just feel. Let them whisper what your heart has been aching to hear. This is your sacred dialogue. Perhaps you receive a message, a sensation, a memory. Let whatever arises move through you. Taking a moment to thank your inner lover. Remember what they told you, what your body feels, what you need to remember. Now it is time to expand. You are full, overflowing with your own love. Begin to imagine this love as a warm field of light, glowing from your heart, radiating out, filling the room, the building, your town, the world. You don't have to grasp for love. You are already the frequency. Say to yourself, the love I long for is already within me. I invite in only what matches this frequency. I don't chase, I attract, I receive. Imagine your future beloved, wherever they are, feeling this field, smiling, beginning to move toward you, because they feel your light. You don't have to beg for love, you just have to become it. Taking a deep breath, begin to return back into your space, back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, Roll your neck gently. Breathe into your belly and exhale out your mouth. Place both hands on your heart. Say aloud, I am the love I long for. I will never abandon myself again. I am home in me. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Stretch your arms. Smile if it feels good. You've just stepped inside the temple of your own heart, and the door is always open. Thank you for being here. You are sacred. You are sovereign. You are so deeply, wildly loved. Namaste.